Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram. Sorry we couldn't complete your request. To know how to fix Instagram, sorry we couldn't complete your request, you should just go here to settings. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page here, in this list, you will go to apps here, as you see, like this. And then in this list here we will go down to Instagram like this, and we will click here. And after that, in this page we will click here for stop, as you see. And then we will go to storage and we will click here. And then here we will click clear cache like this. And then as you see, we will click clear data like this. Then you can turn off your phone, as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.